Hi guys, welcome to today's session, and today we are going to discuss about cotton cultivation in India. It is a very important topic with regard to your prelims as well as mains. And in this lecture, we will see first an overview of cotton cultivation in India, and then we will discuss about the conditions required for cotton cultivation, and then we'll discuss a few facts about cotton production in India, and then some benefits of cotton cultivation, and finally we'll discuss about the challenges faced by the cotton cultivation or cotton production in India. So that's how I planned this lesson. Let's now start. As we all know, cotton is one of the main raw materials for cotton textile industry. Cotton grows well in drier parts in India, and India is believed to be the original home of cotton plant. And India lost a large proportion of cotton growing area to Pakistan during the time of partition. However, its acreage has increased considerably during the last 50 years, and now cotton occupies about 4.7% of total cropped area in the country. So 4.7% of total cropped area is a huge area, and cotton is one of the major crops cultivated in our country. That is the significance and importance of cotton in our country. Now let's discuss the conditions required for cotton cultivation. As cotton is a tropical or subtropical crop grown in semi-arid areas of the country, mainly in the Deccan Plateau region, and one of the major conditions required for cotton cultivation is that it requires at least 210 frost-free days, because hard frost is injurious to cotton cultivation. So that is a major condition. And next, regarding rainfall, only light rainfall is preferred, particularly 50 to 100 centimeters. And cotton can be cultivated under irrigated conditions also. And temperature wise, it requires high temperature and bright sunshine for its growth, and cotton requires a clear sky during the flowering stage. And regarding soil, a light, well-drained soil capable of retaining moisture is ideally suited for cotton cultivation of the crop, and hence black soil is preferred. It is a very known fact. The soil suited for cotton cultivation is black soil, and it is a kharif crop, and it requires 6 to 8 months to mature. So that are the conditions for cotton cultivation. And now we'll discuss some facts about cotton cultivation or cotton production in India. So as I said in the introduction, India is the largest cotton producing country, and India is a leading cotton producing country according to Food and Agriculture Organization. Earlier, India was the second largest producer of cotton after China. Now India has overtaken China. And major cotton producing states in India, you can see the map here. There are 3 cotton growing areas in India. One is parts of Punjab, Haryana and northern Rajasthan in the northwest, and in the west you can see Gujarat and Maharashtra, and thirdly the plateaus of Telangana, Andhra Pradesh, Karnataka and Tamil Nadu in the south. So that are the regions where cotton is growing in India, and leading producers of this crop are Gujarat, Maharashtra and Telangana in that order. And Madhya Pradesh, Karnataka, Andhra Pradesh, Tamil Nadu, Punjab, Haryana and Uttar Pradesh are also significant cotton producers. And if you see the per hectare output of cotton, it is high under irrigated conditions in the northwestern region of the country. Its yield is very low in Maharashtra, where it is grown under rain-fed conditions. So that are few facts about cotton production in the country. And now we'll see the benefits of cotton production in the country. Cotton has been successfully used as a multiple purpose crop. One is that it is edible oil for human consumption, and then it is de-oiled cake as a animal feed, and it is also used as fabric making fiber. So these are the benefits of cotton. 65 lakhs farmers in India cultivate more than 1 crore hectares of cotton annually, mostly under rainfed conditions. And India's share in global cotton production is 25%, and an estimated 6 crore people depend on cotton for their living. And cotton seed industry forms about 20% of total seed industry in India. And the cost of cotton seed is less than 5% of the revenue of the cotton farmer, and has remained very affordable. So that are the benefits of cotton cultivation, and especially cotton production in India. However, there are few challenges associated with the cotton cultivation. We'll now see what are those challenges. The textile industry projects that their cotton requirement is between 570 lakhs bales and 940 lakh bales by 2028. Bales is the unit used to refer the bundles of cotton, and this requires introduction of next generation traits like BT3, BT4, herbicide tolerance, water use efficiency, nitrogen use efficiency, high density planting system, mechanical harvesting system, etc. But the issue is that the flow of new technologies into cotton seed research has been affected by the stalemate in the regulatory approval process, price control of on GM seeds, and confusion on the intellectual property situation of traits, and hostile environment towards the modern science technology in the seed. So it is these all are general issues. We often see these issues in the newspaper with regard to genetically modified seeds of cotton and all. And we have a hostile environment towards the modern science technology. So this is affecting very badly, and this has made technology providers completely discouraged with the direction in which the biotechnology policy of the government is in progressing. And many companies have either scaled down or closed down their technology development centers in India, or have deferred their plans. So these are the challenges faced by the cotton industry. We need to afford the new technologies, and we have to give space for the new technology to for the cotton cultivation in India. So this will eventually increase the production, as well as it will contribute much to the economy of our country. So that is all about cotton cultivation in India, guys. We'll meet tomorrow with another topic. Thank you for watching this lesson.